And this is the other little lock with this cover off. And it looks like there's 5 levers. I thought I only had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought I saw 5. 1, 2. Ah! Almost came over during my counting expedition here. I don't want to take these out because the last one I took off took me about 20 minutes to get it back together because I mixed up a lever. It would not work. Anyways, that's how this little guy works. And he's got little false gates. See, little false gates cut into him here. I don't know, you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 now. I'm looking at the back. This little curtain guy. So yeah, I guess he's a 5 lever. Well, I can't change the title of the video once I produced it. I mean, I can change the description in YouTube and everything, but I can't change the title. Anyways, I guess I did 2 5 levers, and this is, I think it's the National Lock Company. It says N.L.co. Right, so there you go. I'll start doing that from now on. Whenever I run into levers, I just haven't had much experience with them.